welding process, pressure welding and plastic welding process. The pressure welding process. So in the pressure welding process, the two edges to be joined are heated up to a plastic state. It means that the two edges are brought to plastic state. It means it should not be heated beyond its melting temperature. It should be heated up to slightly below the melting temperature. The two edges are brought to plastic state and then pressure is applied. When the pressure is applied, here a strong joint is formed. The joint strength is as good as its base metal, or in sometimes it is more than the base metal. Advantages of the welding process. In the welding process, any metal or alloys can be welded. Any shape of component can be generated. The strength of the joint will be same as that of the base metal. So along with the advantages, there are some disadvantages are there. Those are harmful radiations and fumes may be generated during the process. Residual stresses may be set up in the welded joint. Skilled operator may be required. Structure of the weld portion will differ from the parent metal. Application of the welding. Welding is extensively used in fabrication industries, the fabrication of aircraft, automobile components or automobiles, bridges, building, structure, ships, pressure vessels, pipes, etc. Classification of welding process. So welding is broadly classified into two types. Those are fusion welding and pressure welding. As I have told you, fusion welding and pressure welding. In the fusion welding, I will explain you what is fusion welding and what is pressure welding, of course, later. So in the fusion welding, there comes so many kinds of welding processes. Those are gas welding process, arc welding process, thermite welding process. So here manual arc welding, gas shielded arc welding, automatic flux shielded welding process. In the pressure welding process, forge welding process, gas pressure welding process, resistance welding. Again in the resistance welding there are three types of welding process: spot welding, seam welding, butt welding. The detailed classification of the welding processes are as follows: gas welding, oxy-acetylene welding, oxy-hydrogen welding, air acetylene welding, pressure gas welding process. These are the four kinds. But of all the welding processes, oxy-acetylene welding process is very much in common use. Arc welding process. In arc welding process, again there are so many kinds of arc welding processes. Those are carbon arc welding process, flux coated arc welding process, tungsten inert gas welding process, plasma arc welding process, stud arc welding process, shielded metal arc welding process, submerged arc welding process, metal inert gas welding process, and electroslag welding process. Resistance welding. So resistance welding, here spot welding, flash welding, projection welding, and high frequency resistance welding process. Resistance butt welding process, solid state welding process, cold welding, friction welding, diffusion welding, hot pressure welding, explosive welding, roll welding, forge welding, ultrasonic welding process, thermochemical welding process, thermite welding, atomic hydrogen welding process, radiant energy welding, electronic beam welding, laser beam welding, using consumable electrodes, metal arc welding, gas shielded metal arc welding, plasma welding, submerged arc welding processes. Commonly welded materials are ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. In the ferrous metals, wrought iron, carbon steel, cast steel and stainless steel are there. In non-ferrous metals, aluminum alloys, copper alloys are included. Now we will focus, yes, as I have told you, pressure welding process and fusion welding process. In the fusion welding process, actually, the two edges to be joined are brought to a molten state, and then so they are the molten liquid metal flows and a filler metal supplies the additional amount of metal to for the joining to have a good joint, and then they are allowed to cool. When they are allowed to cool, it solidifies and a strong joint is happen. In pressure welding process, in the pressure welding process, the two edges to be joined are brought to a plastic state. So when they are brought to plastic state, a pressure is applied. The pressure is applied to the two edges of, or one edge and one is supported edge. So then the joint is a strong joint is obtained. Principle of electric welding. The source of heat for arc welding process is an electric arc generated between the two electrically conducting materials. One is workpiece called as electrode and the connected to the one pole and the electric current circuit, while the other workpiece which forms the second conducting material is connected to the other pole of the circuit. When an arc is struck between a metal electrode and the work, the arc heats the metal and forms a pool of weld. The electrode material can be either non-consumable or consumable. The non-consumable electrode is made up of tungsten, graphite, etc. Serves only for generating an arc, whereas the consumable electrode, which is made of the same material as that of the workpiece, strikes the arc and gets consumed. It means that it supplies the additional material required to fill the joint. The electrode gets consumed as and when the metal is deposited. The liquid pool of metal mixes with the work and becomes a part of it. On cooling, solid metal of homogeneous bond results a joint is formed. The distance between the tip of the electrode and the work through which arc is formed is termed as arc length. Metal arc welding process, MAW. Metal arc welding process. It is also referred as consumable electrode arc welding process. Arc is struck between the work and the electrode, which melts and furnishes the required feed metal. Both the rod and the work melts. Both AC and DC supply can be used. Arc supplies the required heat. The temperature and the heat input can be increased or decreased by increasing or decreasing the arc current. High arc current and low arc length produces high intense heat. The metallic rod is normally coated with a flux. The flux coating melts and produces a slag which covers the molten metal at the joint. The slag formed will also give the arc stability. An arc length of 0.6 to 0.8 times the electrode diameter yields high quality weld.